In this module, we'll connect our recently created database to the signup portion of our app. From previous modules, we should have a signup form that looks similar to this. With our form ready, we'll go to home.tpl, and just as we did with our login form, we'll add the method, action, and submit attributes to the form and button tags. Since we've put signup as the route for our action, we'll create the same post route in bottle. From the form, we'll get the email and password. We do not need to do anything with the confirm password field on the backend. This will be done on the client side using JavaScript. Remember, these type of validations should almost always be done on the client side. We'll add one more input to our form, a file upload area where users will be able to upload an avatar for their account. To do this, we'll write input type equals file, give it a name and a title. Now we should have a choose file area on the front end of our web app. To get this avatar, we'll create a variable and then write request.files and the name of the input field, in this case avatar. With everything ready to go, we'll connect out to our database. We can simply copy and paste the connection and cursor code from our login, but this time our execute code will insert instead of select. Our SQL code will be insert into table name, the fields in parentheses, and then values. These values are the email and password variables on line 29 and 30. Just as with the login, we'll do this using placeholders to avoid SQL injection attacks. Now we'll commit and return that the user has been added to our database. Now if we try to sign up with me@mymail.com and 123 as the password, we'll see that the new user has been added. Notice that since we never passed the user privilege value, it is currently set to null. Now let's try and add a user, but one that already exists. Our app throws an error. If we check the error log, we'll see an integrity error. This has to do with referential integrity. Referential integrity is all about following the rules set by the DB administrator. For example, for the email field, we specify that each entry should be unique. Since we did not follow this rule, our app threw an integrity error. In Module 8, we saw how we can handle these exceptions easily in Python. First, we'll place our signup code under a try, and after specifying the type of exception, we'll inform the user if there is a duplicate.